The professional ultrasonic instrument is a tremendous unit for providing ultrasonic facial treatments. Ultrasonic facials help to exfoliate the skin, encourage production of collagen and elastin, plump the skin, and more. Before diving into all the features of the unit, we want to mention that if you order the unit, please hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the unit. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. This unit comes with 3 different handles, one for small areas around the eyes, one for larger areas like the cheeks, and one for even larger areas like the neck and other parts of the body. The control panel is super easy to use. The button on the far right turns the unit on. You can adjust the timer. The 3 buttons on the left allow you to choose which probe you want to work with. The button in the center allows you to change the ultrasonic frequency. The first setting is continuous. The next is pulse. The next one is deeper pulse. And the last one is the variable mode. For each of the modes, you can increase or decrease the intensity level. We recommend starting your treatment on a lower intensity and then raising according to client comfort. To start the machine, simply push the Start Pause button. Make sure that when you're done with the unit that it's turned off. There are not too many things that can go wrong with this unit. One thing that could happen is that it won't turn on even though it's plugged in. If this happens, it could mean that the fuse is bad. To check the fuse, make sure that the unit is unplugged. Then find the fuse on the back of the unit and remove it like this. Inspect the fuse. If the metal inside is broken or melted, it will need to be replaced. Replace the fuse with another of the same rating. If you don't know what the fuse's rating is, you can take it to a hardware store and they can find you a replacement. Thank you for your interest in the professional ultrasonic instrument. If you'd like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.